In this video, I want to show you how to connect your HP DeskJet 2855E to your Android smartphone, how to print and also how to scan using Wi-Fi. So let's get started. The first step is to actually connect the printer to the Wi-Fi network. So let's go on the control panel over here. We need to put it in Wi-Fi setup mode. And if you see the light beside the Wi-Fi button blinking blue, it means that it's in pairing mode. Great. If the light is not blinking blue, you need to press the Wi-Fi button and the X button both at the same time for around 3 seconds, then lift your finger, and then your printer will be in Wi-Fi setup mode. Then go on the Google Play Store and you need to download the HP app. Before that, you used to need the HP Smart app or HP Smart. Now they change it and you just need to download HP. Open the app. This is the main screen of the app. Obviously, if it's the first time you're using it, you'll have to accept the term and conditions and a few different things. You will also need to log in into your HP account if you want to use all the available features like printing and scanning. So this is the main page. You're going to need to click the plus icon to add the printer to the app. Then set up a new printer. Then select HP DeskJet 2800 series. Enter the Wi-Fi password of the Wi-Fi network that your Android phone is currently connected to. Right now, this is my Wi-Fi network, so I'll go ahead and type the password and press done once I finished. Wait until you're asked to press the I button on the printer. You see? Go on the printer panel and press I. And the setup will continue on your phone. Press continue. Press accept all or decline optional data. HP will try to sell you some of their subscription service. It's up to you if you want to activate this or not. I'll select do not activate, decline. And here we are on the main screen of the app. So every time you're going to open the app, let me just go back. You're going to get the display where all your printers will be. You simply have to tap on yours, DeskJet 2800, to have access to the features. So let me show you how to print. To print any document, go down and select document print documents here, or print photo, depending what you intend to do. I'll click print document, PDF, because this is what I want to print, and I will select one. Great. So this is a multi-page PDF. To print, you're going to select print preview. Then you see there's a small line over here. Extend this to have access to all the options. Here you can change the number of copies, the paper size, the page range. Let's say I just want the first one. So I'll go over here and instead of that, I'll select 1:1. Done. You can select if you want to print in color or black and white. This doesn't change anything. And over here, orientation, leave it like that. Press the print button. And usually it starts right away. Here we go. We got our result. Now let me show you how to scan and get the results on your phone. So to use the scanner, you're going to open the scan lid, take your document, place it facing down with the top part of your document towards the right side. Then make sure that this corner of your document touches the lower right corner of the scanner. This is how you know that everything is aligned. Close the lid, go on your phone. Let's go back on the main menu. Choose scan right over here. You can tap on the top and change a few different settings like your page size, the resolution. Just leave it like this unless you're scanning pictures. In that case, choose 300. And if you want to scan in color or black and white. Down below, you have a few different presets. You see? I like to leave it to document and press scan. Scanning is complete. You're gonna get a preview. This is not yet saved on your phone. And HP, I don't know why, put the borders really weirdly on the documents. I suggest instead of auto, select full, and the whole thing will be saved. Then click on next. You can add more page to this document, you can rotate it, you can do a few different things. And at the end, to save it, click the save button right over here on the lower right side. You can decide to change the name, so you can edit it. You can change the file format if you prefer, for example, a PDF. And at the end, press save. You're going to get the confirmation that it has been saved. So this is it. I hope this was useful. Comment down below, subscribe, like, and check my Amazon links in the description of this video if you want to get some ink cartridges from Amazon or even some paper or a brand new printer. See you in the next one.